In this video, I am going to show you how to make scroll functionality in Figma. Whether you are designing a mobile app or a website, the process remains the same. First, open your project in Figma. Once inside, select the page or frame where you want scrolling enabled. On the right-hand side of the screen, under the Layout section, you'll find the dimensions. Since we're working with a website layout, I'll set the dimensions to a common desktop resolution of 1920 by 1080. After setting this, you may notice that some of your content now extends beyond the visible area of the page. Now, if you click on the present icon to preview your design, you'll find that scrolling is not yet enabled. Close the preview and go back to your frame. Select the frame again, and under Layout, check the box for Clip Content. This will ensure that content outside the frame is not immediately visible, but will be scrollable. Next, to actually enable scrolling, click on the Prototype tab in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Find the Overflow Behavior setting and click the drop-down next to it. For a standard web page, choose Vertical. After setting this, click on the Present icon again to preview. Now, when you try to scroll, you'll see that the content moves vertically and all hidden content is accessible. This is how you can enable scrolling in Figma.